Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to Banking Help SA. This is how to use a Capitec Top Up Voucher. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening the Capitec app and signing into your account. From the home screen, tap Transact at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Buy Vouchers. From here, tap History at the top right of the screen. Then open the Capitec Top Up Voucher that you want to redeem. You will now see the voucher PIN along with all the voucher details. A Capitec Top Up Voucher is a prepaid voucher that can be used to load airtime on supported networks such as Capitec Connect, Cell C, MTN, Telkom, and Vodacom. To redeem the voucher, use the airtime recharge option provided by your network and enter the voucher PIN when prompted. Depending on the network, you may also have the option to enter the voucher PIN through the app or website. The exact redemption method may vary depending on the network or service that you are using. Once the voucher PIN has been accepted, the airtime will be added to the selected mobile number. And that is it. That is how to use a Capitec Top Up Voucher. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.